Maxwell. I'm in the 5th grade. The platform I used for this project is Scratch. The name of the project is the Tank Game Physics Simulator. This is how it works. Once we've entered full screen, we can adjust the bounce elasticity and the gravity, so we can experiment with different forms of gravity and the way the ball bounces. So let's start with the bounce elasticity at -0.8 and then gravity at -0.1. And the enemy will try to fire at you, and you are trying to avoid the enemy firing at you, and you can adjust the gravity. So if we wanted, well, you're not supposed to let that happen, but we can adjust the gravity. For elasticity, the closer to -1 the elasticity gets, the closer to a perfect bounce. So if we have a 0.05 bounce, it doesn't bounce as much as if we had a 0.99 bounce, which bounces much higher and with much more energy. As for the code, when you press the arrows, we change the X and Y axis to the way you press the arrows. And when you point, we're changing the angle of your tank to where you're pointing. And then when you press down, you fire the bullet. And for the bullet code, the X speed is change the X speed by gravity. So that's just basically changing the X or Y by gravity, so it makes the ball go up and down like gravity. And for the simulation of the enemy ghost bullet, we measure all the angles around in 360, and we pick the one that lands closest to the other tank to fire. With this project, I wanted to show kids the basic physics of gravity and bouncing physics. So I thought this game would be a fun way for them to learn the basics. If I wanted to iterate, I would probably make the AI smarter so it could drive around. I would also make it, instead of having all the surfaces to be squared off, I would make them to be able to be round. Thanks for watching, as always.